and post-Eurovision depression starts to kick in on this 22nd of May 2025, and the weather in Stockholm is contributing to that depression even more with this gray and slightly cold weather. Today we have 8 degrees Celsius, same as yesterday, but 10 degrees colder than 2 days ago. And today I wasn't in a mood to cycle that far, so I just cycled to my closest beach to my home, or should I say closest jetty. Some people will say that this is not a beach, but I'm calling everything that's on the lake or water surface a beach. The name of this spot over here is actually called Fagersjöbryggan, which means Fagersjö jetty, and Fagersjö is the name of the area right here that's located between Fagersjö and Högdalen in south of Stockholm. Just 3 kilometers away from my home, I can find this piece of nature out on the lake Magelungen, the same lake where I was yesterday. And yesterday I was swimming on the Fagersjö strandbad, that's around 2 kilometers in that direction. I should have taken my hybrid bike today, but I thought that it might rain, so this is my only bike that has protection from the dirt when it rains. There is nobody on the jetty today, which is obvious. The reason why, because it's cold, 8 degrees Celsius, but it is not windy, which makes it a bit more bearable than yesterday. The temperature in the water is 13 degrees Celsius. I thought it was gonna be warmer actually, but I was in denial. And yeah, I'm still in shock from the results from Eurovision, but I try to cope with that somehow with my beach adventures. And yeah, I have just passed 27,000 subscribers. That's insane. Thank you so much. Thank you very much to all my subscribers, and special thanks to the members of my channel, the 5 members that I have on the channel. Thank you so much. I haven't forgotten you, the members. There will be members only content coming soon. I have been just so busy with Eurovision, and I really need to use the momentum to gain more subscribers, as I'm astonished that people enjoy my content. And yeah, but the beach adventures continue as usual. There is always beach season. Eurovision season is only 2 weeks. Well, technically 3 months if we count the period where they choose the songs. But beach season is all year around. So I'm so happy to be back in my daily routine. Just look at how beautiful the lake is and the stillness of it. Now this spot over here will get a lot of lotus flowers very soon. So I'm actually only here during the months of March to May, and then from October to November, because the previous months in between during the summer it's mostly with lotus notes, and it's not so nice to take a dip here. But it's my closest beach to my home, and it was such a good idea to come here on a depressing day like this one. The forecast for the weekend looks better, so I really hope that that will change. Today is beach day number 14 from my Sweden beach adventures. And yeah, what else? Depressing Thursday, let's go in for a dip here at Fagersjö. I just love when the water is so still and I can see my reflection like that. It's so pretty, right? Indeed. And look at that. There was even a swan here that was visiting me earlier. I guess he is acquainted from people coming here and giving him food, but I didn't have any food with me. I had a banana, but I wasn't sure if the swans eat bananas, so yeah. Oh. Okay, time for cryotherapy and to heal the post-Eurovision depression with a swim in the lake Magelungen. Cold, but it's gonna be fine for sure. All right, ready, set, and go! The water also tastes like a lot of snow. Like there has been a lot of flora here at Fagersjö, and I can also stand here as well. The bottom, I thought that it was a bit deeper than that, but nope. Amazing. Okay, so that is a wrap from this beach adventure here in Fagersjö. I'm gonna swim a bit more today because I feel like it. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.